Requirements is where you capture what your product does and why in plain language. You can write it from scratch with the help of the agent, or for a system that already exists, like I did, have the agent recover it from the code. In this video, I'll give the agent context through my code and artifacts, generate the product overview and the feature requirements, and point out some of the tools that you'll use the most. There's two kinds of documents out of the box. Product overview documents hold the shared context for the project, and feature requirements documents capture one feature each. They're organized into a feature tree, and you do have parent and children feature requirements, where the parents are fully fledged features on their own, and the children are generally additions to that feature. To get good requirements, you give the agents context. I'll give it a product document, a meeting transcript, and other documents as artifacts, plus the connected code base to work from. Now I start the agent. It reads what I gave it, searches the code base, and asks me a few questions if necessary to understand the product before it writes anything. Then it fills in the product overview section, and anything the agent writes shows up as a green suggestion you can accept or reject. I'll accept these and skip ahead to when the product overview and the feature requirements sections are done. When you get to blueprints, each of these feature nodes will have a matching blueprint document. Some mature projects, like Ledger Plus for example, can have upwards of 100 feature requirements. Each requirement is written as a user story and a set of acceptance criteria. We found that that's the clearest way to write something both a person and an agent can act on. That said, you can customize your requirements templates in the settings. Requirements is also multiplayer, so your team can work in the same document at once. You can leave comments anchored to the text, mention a teammate to pull them in, and even use the agent to address those comments directly. Also, every change that you made is versioned automatically, so you can see how a document evolved over time and use that as an audit trail. And that's requirements. Whether you wrote these from scratch or recovered them from a system you already run, like I did, they're now the shared source of truth for what your product does. From here, you're ready to move into blueprints. If you've got questions, the docs are at 8090.ai/docs, and you can reach us on Discord or at factory-support@8090.ai. Thanks for watching.